What is today's date? 3-1-2. We've done 3-2-5. 1-3-1-2. 3-1-2.
3-1-2. I mean,
It's just like doesn't really.
this is really how we come up with numbers.
Yeah. 3-1-2.
3-1-2.
Is that how we're feeling today?
Like into
2-2-2.
the vast of history. This is going to be 3-1-2. Are we
3-1-2.
okay with that?
Yes.
3-1-2.
3-1-2.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative.
With a kit.
Yes, we have another craft kit today. We are going to be crafting with box.
3-1-2.
Ask us the significance of that number.
Ask us.
We don't know. I'm excited about this today because from the very first time we did a stencil with watercolor, I've wanted to do it again.
And guess how long it's been?
How long?
Yes, it's been 2 years. It was our second craft video. If you scroll, after you watch this video all the way through, scroll way in, like and comment, scroll all the way down and look for Craft Kit 3115. It only has 57 views. Let's pump it up. How sad. Let's go.
You know what? I don't know if I could watch that video again.
We won't watch it.
It's probably going to be highly entertaining
Yeah.
or terrifying.
It'll be terrifying.
It was our first stencil with watercolor. That's what we're going to do again today. But we have springtime flowers.
Yay, we're springy.
Yes, this is going to be a very cute springtime craft.
Yep.
And it could even be for mom.
It could, absolutely.
Because Mother's Day is just around the corner, like in a couple of months.
It's just gonna happen. Next, we're gonna do Halloween.
Before you blink, it's gonna be Mother's Day, and you're gonna think, what am I gonna do?
Right.
So either mom likes to craft, so you wanna buy her a craft kit,
That's it. Yep.
or you can make her something homemade.
Right.
So
It's a gift or it's a gift.
it is.
So maybe you need to order 2. So
One for you and one for mom.
Right.
You could craft
we
together.
can craft together.
It's so much fun.
Yeah,
Are we ready to go?
I think so.
Let's check out the materials in the box, and then you can craft along with us.
Let's do it. All right, we are painting, so we're taking away the image.
Yeah, we're gonna make you the stencil
I
now.
have to say that out loud.
Oh my goodness. My eyes.
No.
It's kind of like blind weeding because we don't have the actual images in front of us.
Oh, I see what this is doing.
And I can't really remember what they look like.
Yeah. Get in there.
Why is this so difficult to see today?
I don't know. I got nothing. I can't. Here, let me look at the back. Oh, wow.
Petal. This is gonna be our foreheads
Right.
and the tops of our heads.
Yep.
I gave her the hard one.
Oh, look at that.
Look how pretty this is.
Okay. Beautiful.
That was easy.
You're welcome. Okay. Scrapey.
All right, the first thing we're gonna do is transfer our stencil onto the watercolor paper. And you can use one of your little pieces of frame wood. You can remove all, or sometimes it's nice to just remove half the stencil so you can get it centered on your project. And we've cut these stencils to the perfect size to fit your piece of paper, so you don't have to worry about centering the flowers on there. You just line it up with the edge of your paper. And if you just let your stencil slowly fall onto the paper and just rub along that edge as you go, then you shouldn't have any wrinkles.
Peel.
And peel from one corner across. This one has some little tiny pieces, so you might just have to pull those down
like
as
that.
you pull it off. Yeah. Scissors, please. Before we get going with the paint, I'm just going to run over all the edges with my finger to make sure they're really sealed down.
Then I am too.
All right, these are just like the watercolors that you painted with when you were a kid.
I love them. They don't dry out. They are easy.
And these are really pretty colors. We're gonna try to stick with these springy colors though. Maybe even greens for the leaves. I don't know, different color. This is the hardest part.
It is the hardest part.
Different colors for the flowers. Like, should we try to be literal?
I don't know.
Or maybe we just see what happens.
I mean, are you gonna make like one petal some different shades?
I don't know.
I think I'll start with green.
I know. I was thinking green too.
That'll work me into it. I'm gonna start like with this guy.
I know. We need to load up with some water here. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna go for it.
Oh, you did it.
Did it. Yeah, that's a really light greens. I think I'm gonna go over all of it with the light green and then go some dark green in there.
I'm already dedicated here, but I'm gonna do some light green too. I know.
She's making me commit.
Oh, that made a nice minty-ish sort of color.
Minty-ish.
I'll take it.
Just take some concentration.
Yeah.
Blend.
Mm-hmm.
Blend.
There's some of that happening. I like that they all look a little different. It is nature after all.
Yeah. 3 different kinds of flowers here. This is so easy because we're not having to do any kind of fancy strokes or anything.
No, we're just dabbling. You just have to know when to stop.
Yeah. We're not being careful about it or anything. Oh, I mean, I love it.
It's beautiful.
It's really pretty so far. Just wait until we peel the stencil off.
The reveal peel.
I'm liking the yellows, the orange, the light pink. This is going to be severe, I think.
Yeah, I think we don't do anything on this bot. Well, maybe that orange, not that orange. What are you starting with? I don't know. I'm just going to start. Like, I'm starting with orange.
Go for it.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Start with yellow. You can end up mixing all the colors if you want. I don't think we can really mess it up. I say that now.
Oh, I could mess it up. I could. I want to. I might do a yellow flower. Watch me go.
Yeah.
That's like a cool.
It works.
It's a cool.
It's a cool.
It's just a cool. I'm gonna go here.
We're going rogue now. Go for it.
Now, if you're very artistic with watercolor, you're gonna
Probably be cringing right now.
right. But
Watercolor for the non-watercolors. That's
I
what
like the bubbly. Like, I think that looks cool.
gives it texture, right?
You gotta know it's watercolor.
Springy. I like kind of.
Almost nothing is too bad in watercolor.
Oh, look at that shading.
Look at that shading. We're doing some mad shading. We're also seeing these against a really dark background right now.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be
less dramatic as far as
when we peel
colors.
it up.
All right.
Like
so
I want to keep going, but we're done.
I know.
That's it.
I kind of want to do more.
Okay.
Favorite part is going to be ripping this off, so we just have to sit patiently for a few minutes while it dries.
Yeah.
You don't have to wait.
You don't have to wait with us.
We'll see you for the reveal. And time has passed,
Time has passed.
and now it's time for the fun part. So we're going to carefully pull off the stencil from the paper. I think it's gonna, look at that. It comes off so easily.
Yay.
And the moment of truth here.
Oh, cool. You can't see it yet.
That's so awesome. Oh. Be
Okay.
careful, because this might pick up your, just peeled. We got a little excited there.
We did.
Just peel slowly.
It's fine.
And honestly, this might have happened because we were a teensy bit impatient and
Perhaps.
I used the blow dryer. Be patient and just let them dry on their own.
Oh my goodness.
So,
I want to do this again.
I know. Come back next week for more stencils and watercolor.
Watercolor.
Welcome to our watercolor stencil channel.
Yeah. From now on. Oh my gosh, look how
I know. Because watercolor is so hard to just do on your own. So this is definitely foolproof watercolor.
we're so talented.
Yes, we are.
I like it.
Oh, see, that's got that. I mean, you know, and it completely looks like watercolor too. That's what it is. But you know what I mean.
I've been watercoloring since I was about 4.
But it's never looked like this before.
No. Gosh, it really stuck down well. I was worried because it was so watery
Right,
that it was going to seep. It did not.
not at all.
Oh, that little guy. That's okay. Nobody knows that.
No.
We designed that flower.
And another one. Just ignore that. There's supposed to be a leaf. Me. How pretty.
I love him.
Now, if you didn't think this could get any cuter, we're going to add a little frame to the top and the bottom with these pieces of wood, and then put a little string on top to hang it. This may or may not be leftover from our macrame disaster a couple of weeks ago.
What fun that was. Yeah. So we're reliving a part of it. All right, so we're ready for a frame.
Yes.
And this is a cute way just to very easily, small pieces of wood, just to frame the top and bottom, and hot glue.
For each top and bottom, you're going to take 2 pieces. It's going to hang over the edge just a little bit, as you can see, and make sure that we're actually just making it line up with the edge of the wood. Whoa, hold on.
It's a whole lot. What's the matter?
Now we're ready. Two, 3.
Beautiful.
Now, a little hanger for each one. So the easiest thing to do for your hanger is going to be to just fray the ends a little bit, or just at least separate out those 3 strands. Are you doing it like about so from the edge?
About so.
About so, okay. It's the back.
It hurts so bad.
It's all good. And the reveal.
These are awesome. Yay!
Look, Mom, we did it.
We did it.
This is definitely foolproof watercolor.
It is.
Almost said waterproof. foolproof, waterproof, but
Starting with the fact that you get the kit with everything that you need.
exactly.
And
You can watercolor too.
Yes.
And perfect time for spring. Like we
Spring,
want
Easter,
all the
Mother's Day.
flowers now.
Yeah.
It's time.
All right, well, we are going to find the perfect spot for these.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
We hope you enjoyed crafting with us today. And if you like this kit, head over to Etsy where you can pick it up and then you can watch it again and craft with us next time.
That's right. Give us a like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think.
And hopefully we won't take 2 more years to do watercolor stencils again.
I don't think we will because this was very
It was.
fun.
It was. We'll have to do it again.
Yes.
All right. We'll see you next
All
week.
right. See you next week.